how to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search, and for that we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to Fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you. So let's get started and let's take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can make money with this method. So here, open your favorite browser, then open Google Maps in the browser and wait for it to load. Then go to the search of Google Maps and type the United States. That's the country we are going to focus on in today's explanation. And let's search for the United States. Here, zoom in on the country. It's the best market where we can apply this method. And here, let's choose a state or a city. For example, here, let's choose New Mexico here. Let's zoom in on New Mexico. And let's choose a city here to apply the method to. Let's choose Gallup. Here, let's zoom in on Gallup and let's zoom in, and here let's go to the search again to start searching for the small businesses that could be in this place. But before that, I'm going to explain the three main services that we are going to offer to those small businesses. So the first service is the website creation. So we are going to offer to create websites for these small businesses if they don't have one, and if they already have one, we are going to check the website to see if it's an old website, we can offer to renovate it, and if it's a new website, we can't do anything about that. We can just skip to the next service, which is the bad reviews removing. So we are going to check their profiles if there is any 1-star or 2-star reviews in their profile. We are going to offer to remove those for them. And the third service is the social media accounts management. So here, let's start searching for the small businesses like hair salons, gyms, plumbers, auto repair garages. Let's go with auto repair garages and wait for it to load. Here you can see that we have a lot of auto repair garages showing up in the map, and here you can see all of their profiles. So guys, in order to find or in order to reach out to the best or the profiles with the highest rate of answering us or the highest rate of purchasing our service, make sure to always check the reviews, and if there is any sponsored written in the top of their profile, make sure to avoid those, and the ones with more than 150 reviews also make sure to avoid them. So here, this is a perfect profile for us to start with. So let's check this profile first and let's wait for it to load. And here we have Larry's Automotive and 66 Auto Plus or 66 Auto Plus. So he has two names for his automotive business, and by scrolling down you will see that he doesn't have a website. So that's the first service we are going to offer them. And by scrolling down we can see that from the review summary that they have some 5-star and some 4-star and some 1-star reviews. So we are going to focus on the 1-star reviews. We need to find those 1-star reviews because those are the reviews that are going to help us convince the business owner to purchase our second service, which is bad reviews removing. So let's scroll down to find that 1-star review, and here we have the first one from a month ago. This automotive location needs to be shut down. Not only other intoxicated employees working on the vehicles, their time spent to have their vehicles returned to the clients is more definitely not a top priority for the shop. unethical and unreliable, plan out thieves. If you plan to leave the shop with unfinished work or illegal work, this is your spot. That's not to mention the multiple lawsuits that they are involved in. So that's some very serious allegations to have upon your team and upon your shop. So the owner will be most definitely happy for someone to come and offer to remove this kind of bad reviews from his profile. I guess we can find bad than that in here. We have another one from 4 months ago from Francisco Sousa. This shop is an absolute scam. I was there in January of this year to help my daughter with her car that broke down while driving cross country. While there, Derry fixed her car, and I noticed that I don't know where I left. Here had several. I noticed that he had several vehicles on his lot that were for sale, as I was interested in purchasing one to ship home to work on. Larry showed me several trucks, and we settled on one. He then proceeded to make a deal with me and sell me a truck. He made me believe he was his, and was in fact not his to sell. Someone else held the title, and they were not willing to sell the truck. This is after I paid him $1,500 and had already left town that I found this out. So we compromised, and he said he'd send me a different truck. The weather was rainy, and so the lot the trucks are in was extremely muddy. He said he'd get the new chosen truck out of the lot once the weather changed and it wasn't so difficult to navigate through the mud and move the truck. Here we are in December, and still no vehicle has been moved out of the lot nor delivered to me. In fact, Larry has completely stopped responding to my calls and texts. He stole $1,500 from me. Larry is a thief, is dishonest, and a sorry excuse for a business owner. I have sent him a text message every day for the last week, not including the numerous calls and messages prior to that, and have received exactly zero responses. Do not do business with this man. So this is another very serious allegation. This one is about the owner himself. They are saying that he's a thief, and that's some serious allegation to have on your Google Maps platform. But we can use that in our favor. We can just take a screenshot of that and send them to the owner and say that we can help solve these problems for them. We can remove those reviews for him for only a $200, and he will pay you that easily, because he has some serious allegations in there, and he would like to remove them before those allegations spread in his reputation. And as I said in the beginning, you won't need any skill, guys. You will only need to go to Fiverr.com. Here, Fiverr.com, it's where you are going to hire freelancers that are going to deliver the service instead of you delivering it. So for example, you can pay a freelancer to remove the bad reviews for $25, and you can just take the lift easily. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.